If your kitchen cabinets are looking a little dull and grimy, it's time to get steamed up. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Just ahead, I'll share how you can turn your microwave into a powerful cleaning tool right after this.
Does the outside of your home need a little TLC? Then enter the Elevate Your Exterior contest now at todayshomeowner.com/contest. The winner will be featured on an episode of Today's Homeowner TV along with a great exterior makeover for their home, complete with Therma-Tru doors, fiber-on decking, and 5-pond decorative millwork. Contest ends May 24th, 2020, so enter today at todayshomeowner.com/contest. Brought to you by Therma-Tru doors, fiber-on decking, and 5-pond decorative millwork.
Kitchen cabinets take a lot of abuse. Everything from spills, smoke from cooking, natural oils on our hands, even contact with our pets. All these things start taking their toll, and soon the cabinets just don't look their best. Here's a great tip for quick and easy cleaning right down to the pores. Take a regular kitchen sponge and run it underwater. Wring it out so that it's only damp. Place the sponge in your microwave and heat it on high for 20 seconds. Be sure to put on a pair of rubber gloves to remove the sponge because it will be hot. Now, using your favorite citrus cleaner, and I really like the orange-based ones, spray it on the cabinets and scrub it down with the steamy sponge. The combination of the heat and citrus will cut right through all the grime and leave your cabinets looking new and smelling great. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.